Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing some TigerTough seat covers for the rear row on Ram 1500 trucks. Let's get into it. All right, now these seat covers, most of the time if you're just ordering one set, they're going to be shipped in a package like this. Sometimes when you're ordering like a front and a rear row, it'll be boxed. Sometimes it's just boxed in general, but a lot of times it is shipped just in this bag like this. So a couple things about TigerTough. Number one, made in the USA. All of their seat covers are made over in Minnesota. Big main USA factory and company. And another thing about TigerTough is they are seat covers that work. And really what they focus on is serving the trades and helping protect work trucks and work vans and things like that. And so this happens to be for a, I believe 2009 and later Ram 1500 with the crew cab. And it's gonna be that new body style, not the classic. A couple of things just as we're opening this is, number one, you're gonna see this is going to be a specialty print. This is not your standard gray, black, or tan. This is going to be what they call the sport weave line, which you can get these different patterns in. I believe this is the Urban Viper, but they've got like a snow, kind of a snow camo, if you will, a Canadi, a DRT, and a few other specialty prints that you can get. Particularly, we see that more popular with those truck owners. As I'm opening this, we do have an installation guide in the box. This is specific for this part number. Full bench seat cover, seat back, seat bottom headrest. There's a QR code for a video. So TigerTough does have a video on how to install this. We're gonna be installing this on a Ram 1500 as well. So if you're interested in that, be sure to check out that video. But I like that they've got full color photos here, how to remove the headrests, how to install it, and all of that. This is kind of a unique thing that TigerTough does. A lot of seat cover manufacturers and even just general aftermarket product accessories manufacturers, they just give you kind of a generic manual and you have to figure out all the nuance with your vehicle, but they make this specific for your vehicle. So let's go ahead and look at these covers. Looks like we do have two headrest covers. Not sure if the Ram 1500 has a headrest cover in the center. I know the F-150 does. I'm not sure about the Ram 1500, but these are going to cover the headrest, so that's good. You get that protection. And then it looks like we do have one large seat cover here. I get this mixed up a lot in terms of what is the bottom and what's the top. So this is the top, it looks like. We do have our cutouts for our headrests on the left and right, and you can see this must just be like a little bump on that middle seat. And so they do have that built into the seat cover. And this is going to be the upper back part of the seat. You have various Velcro connections, so your seat belts and your car seat anchors and all of that will pop through here. But full coverage of the seat. Some nice stitching in here to really give it a nice tight and snug fit. These are going to be a snug fit seat cover. It's going to look almost like they're factory. It's not going to be baggy or anything like that. So one big seat back cover, two headrest cover for the left and the right. And then this should be our seat bottom cover and one big one for that big bench seat in the back. So this is the bottom. This is the top. Just looks like a Velcro. Couple of areas right here, probably for your seat belts and all that to come through here as well. So pretty simple, just one bottom, one top, and a couple of headrest covers. Sometimes if there is like some variance in the seats, it's gonna be a different part number. For example, in the F-150, there's like a 60-40 split seat in the back. It's not a full bench. And so for that, they've got a different part number than if you have the full bench. And so a lot of nuance, especially with those front seats. Sometimes there's different features like lumbar support and armrests and things that are unique for various trim levels and accessories and upgrades that you can get in your truck. You wanna make sure that you get the right seat covers for your truck. So make sure you answer all those questions that I asked you as you're trying to find the right seat covers for your vehicle. Now, TigerTough does come with a 2-year unconditional warranty is what they call it. And there's been some really interesting cases where they cover it under warranty. So it's a great warranty from TigerTough. Now the great thing about this material in general is it's essentially tear-proof, it's waterproof. You know, if you spill anything or have a screwdriver in your back pocket or a tool belt or whatever, you're getting in and out of your truck all day, it's not gonna wear out those factory seats, and it's not gonna wear out these covers either. So it's gonna protect the actual factory seats, as well as give you something that's gonna last a very long time. Now, if you're interested in these seat covers or any other equipment to get your truck or van ready for work, we've got what you need at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.